Once again for The Law and You, featuring the Boys of Summer, better known as the award-winning attorneys we have here on The Law and You, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, how are you today?
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Had to mix it up. All right, we have a very serious question, though, involving a car accident. Let's get to it. This one, asking about the viability of the car. My daughter and the father of her son were both killed in a very tragic automobile crash. We think that there may have been a malfunction of the car. What should we do? This is from Jason in Kingston.
Well, Jason, the first thing that you should do in this particular situation is make sure you do not get rid of the vehicle. There are a number of automobile defect cases that are out there right now. We're looking at a couple of them. They've been all over the news, with GM and Chevy. So if it's one of those particular vehicles, that's a real hot button issue right now. But any vehicle, if you have an indication that there's a malfunction, you got to make sure that you lock that vehicle down immediately so that somebody can take a look at it. Let Greg talk a little bit more about the specifics of it, but that's the first step you got to take on this.
Yeah, with these cases, it's important to preserve the evidence. We always talk about, it's your burden to preserve the evidence. So what Ed's saying is, get the car, hold on to it. Then you get to some lawyers who know what they're doing. They will bring in some experts who will evaluate the car, look at any of the potential defects. They will run tests on it, diagnostic tests. If there's a structural issue with a failure, they'll look at that. There's a whole bunch of things that they're looking at these days. So any of these types of malfunction cases, you need to move pretty quickly.
All right, some good advice in a very tough situation. And for our viewers that may be involved in a car accident and need your legal help, how can they reach you guys?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you like us on our Facebook page, put a question on there, and the Boys of Summer will try to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Yeah, not only do results matter, but the fun matters with these guys. As always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, thank you so much.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best ways to get a question featured on The Law and You.